Marie Allen and her husband Gordon embrace the style, dance and dress of the 1950s. But unlike most people, the couple and their son have taken their interest a step further by each owning a classic Ford Thunderbird from that era.
We love the music and we love dressing up. We each own a T-Bird. My son owns the 59, I own the 57.
Marie is proud of her 60-year-old cruiser.
My car's a 57 Thunderbird. It's a 3-speed manual. It is also a convertible and it is quite distinct in the fact that it has the porthole window in the hardtop.
Their son Sean has a 1959 Thunderbird which belonged to Marie's late brother John and was an early 21st birthday present from his parents.
As I said, it was a 352 FE Ford engine. I rebuilt this engine about 4 years ago and I've still got a wee bit left in it.
The Ashburton Rock and Roll Club meet up every Sunday evening for a dance and dance lessons. The next major event on their calendar is the Caroline Bay Rock and Hop in mid-March. Rudy Adrian, The South Today.